Stay cool and comfortable all night long with the perfect breeze by your side. Discover the best floor fan for bedroom use, combining quiet performance with powerful airflow. Number 1. Dreo Fan for Bedroom. Elegantly designed to deliver powerful air circulation, this innovative fan is more than meets the eye. While its sleek, modern profile may seem like an ordinary standing fan at first glance, it offers a trifecta of benefits, functioning as a pedestal fan, oscillating fan, and an air circulator all in one. Whether you're looking to cool down your bedroom, office, or living room, this versatile solution adapts effortlessly to meet your indoor climate needs. What sets this unit apart is the highly customizable airflow system. With 8 unique wind speeds and 3 distinct modes, you can fine-tune the air circulation to your exact comfort level. Whether you prefer a light breeze during reading time or a more powerful blast for hot afternoons, the fan adjusts on command. The control panel is large and intuitive, and for added convenience, it also comes with a remote, allowing you to make adjustments from anywhere in the room. Another standout feature is its surround air circulation. With a bionic blade design and high-performance air booster, it pushes airflow as far as 85 feet away, while staying whisper quiet. It's perfect for environments where peace and concentration are key, such as bedrooms and study areas. The unit's motor operates at just 20 decibels, quieter than a whisper, thanks to the use of a brushless DC motor combined with turbine-style blade technology. Number 2. Levoit Tower Fan for Bedroom. Blending elegance, efficiency, and smart features, this tower fan redefines what modern air circulation can look and feel like. With its curved air inlet and multi-blade design, it produces a breeze that mimics the feel of natural wind, a gentle, comforting stream of air that makes the environment feel more refreshing than mechanical. Designed for more than just good looks, this unit brings a powerful airflow of up to 1062 CFM with a top wind speed of 25 feet per second. It ensures impressive coverage even in larger rooms thanks to its 90 degrees oscillation capability. Whether you're placing it in a master bedroom, a spacious living room, or an open office, the wide airflow range acts almost like a curtain of cooling wind, enveloping the space in a consistent breeze. Smart technology makes this fan a step ahead of the competition. With a built-in temperature sensor, it automatically adjusts the airflow based on the ambient room temperature. This means no more getting up in the middle of the night to switch modes or tweak settings. It reacts to your environment in real time, providing personalized comfort without the fuss. When it comes to sound, this fan excels. Operating at just 28 decibels, it's whisper quiet, making it an excellent companion for light sleepers or those who need to focus in peaceful surroundings. You also get a 12-hour timer function, perfect for setting the fan to shut off after bedtime or during the workday. Number 3. Dreo Standing Fan. Serving as a powerful blend of convenience, performance, and versatility, this fan takes cooling to the next level. Designed with flexibility in mind, it functions not only as a standing fan but also doubles as a circulator, making it perfect for year-round use. It's the kind of fan you set up once, and forget you ever needed another one. The standout feature here is the omnidirectional oscillation. Most fans either oscillate horizontally or vertically, but this one does both, simultaneously. With a sweeping 120 degrees horizontal and vertical motion, it ensures every inch of your space receives an equal share of fresh, cool air. Whether placed in the center or corner of a room, the coverage is exceptional. Airflow reaches up to 80 feet, making it ideal for larger rooms or even long hallways. That's thanks to its enhanced blade design and high-performance air booster. And despite its power, it maintains an ultra-quiet operation, running as low as 23 decibels, which is quieter than a whisper. This is particularly beneficial for light sleepers, home offices, or noise-sensitive settings. Equipped with a DC motor, this fan not only performs efficiently but also saves on electricity bills by using 40% less energy. The motor and blade design work together to increase air output by up to 30%, so you get more cooling without added cost. Number 4. Dreo Tower Fan for Bedroom. When the temperature rises and the heat becomes unbearable, finding a cooling solution that doesn't disrupt your peace is a true blessing. This tower fan redefines comfort by combining advanced airflow engineering with whisper-quiet performance. Its acoustically designed airflow system, paired with hyper-precision bearings, ensures a remarkably silent experience, making it ideal for use in bedrooms, nurseries, or during focused work sessions. Even at its highest speed, the noise level remains minimal, so you can enjoy a cool breeze without the constant hum of a motor in the background. What makes this fan stand out is its ability to deliver powerful airflow from multiple angles. Drawing air from the back and sides, it utilizes a high-speed motor that reaches up to 1350 RPM, capable of pushing cool air up to 29.5 feet away. Whether you're lying in bed, sitting on the couch, or working at your desk, this fan ensures you stay refreshed without needing to be right next to it. With 6 distinct speed levels and 4 cooling modes, including sleep, auto, natural, and normal, you get complete control over your cooling experience. It adjusts seamlessly to your needs, whether you're winding down for the night or trying to beat the afternoon heat. Number 5. Dreo Fan for Bedroom. For anyone in search of a truly customizable and powerful cooling solution, this floor fan delivers a level of innovation that goes far beyond the average home fan. While many fans offer just a few basic speed settings, this advanced model provides 6 unique wind modes and up to 8 different speed levels, making it incredibly versatile for every kind of space, from cozy bedrooms to large open living rooms. Whether you need a gentle breeze while working or a strong airflow during a hot summer day, it adapts perfectly to your needs. One of the most impressive features is its omnidirectional oscillation. It offers a wide 120 degrees horizontal and 105 degrees vertical rotation, which helps distribute air evenly throughout the room. This ensures that cool air reaches every corner, not just one direct spot. Whether you're relaxing alone or with family and friends, everyone gets to enjoy the refreshing airflow. Its adjustable height, ranging from 37.1 to 43 inches, means you can easily fit it into any space or adjust it for better coverage. What's more, you can control the airflow direction from your smartphone, and the fan will even reset to its default position automatically after turning off, a smart and convenient touch. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.